guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Who knew? I did it before. I did it for the first time, Instacart, and I've done Amazon the grocery delivery. Love it, but I needed something from Publix, so I had to do Instacart. That little joker, that cost me almost $50 that day. I was so mad, but I really wanted it. I didn't want to go out at night. I didn't want Jeffrey to go back out, so I ordered it. Okay, you got to have a certain amount in order to order it. But my point is, though, all these different things now that we're able to do, and I hear a lot of YouTubers say, "Well, it was never designed to make money." Well, guess what? A lot of stuff wasn't designed to make money, but now it's making money. Just cutting your grass. Who knew that people would have full-blown lawn cutting businesses, right? The lawnmower was created to cut your grass, not for you to make money to do other people's grass, but that's what's going on. That's what's going on. The TV, designed to watch in your home, but now all these streaming things, Netflix, every channel has a streaming device that we used to could watch for free, but we're paying for that. So now people are paying us as notaries for the convenience to come to their home, go to their office, come after hours, early in the morning, late at night, go to the hospital, go to the nursing home where their mom and daddy at, right? Because they can't get out. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Is this making sense? Put a 1 in the chat if this is making sense. Put a 1. 1 if it's making sense. 0 like, girl, you don't know what you're talking about. I'm prepared for a few zeros, but it better be mostly 1s. Let's see. Daxton Realty, hello, says, wow. Des says, yes, ma'am, I'm a notary, but I've never did the work. I took a class with your niece last year. I really need to get on board. So what's going on, Des? I mean, I know the one class, if you didn't execute immediately from the one class, you probably forgot everything. You know, you probably just need to get back in the loop. And now we have the full-blown mentorship. So I don't know if that was available when you took the class with Alexis, but now we have full-blown mentorship. And I'll tell you what that looks like in just a second. You know what? Let me go ahead and answer your question right now. So to get back on board, though, I would really recommend get in the room where everything is happening. You see, every day people are here in our chat that are actually in our mentorship. They tell you how amazing it is. I don't have to, but I can because I created it. Okay, but what does mentorship look like? You come in, you actually learn the classes, right? 17 now, because I just added mystery shopping. If you did not know, there's a mystery shopping course, but you watch the courses. As you're watching the courses, you already have your supplies. You actually start going to work. You start marketing your business. In between time, every single week we meet live. If you're in the $27 option or the $47 option, we have 2. You could pick either one, and then we meet live weekly to coach you. What's going on in your business? What do you need help with? And you may say, well, Kimmi, how do you do that with so many people? Because everybody's not talking. Everybody's at different stages. But whatever you're talking about, somebody else in the group is having the same issue, right? The same challenge, the same growth even. We have some people that's killing the field inspection game. So as they're learning about field inspections, they're telling us which companies are the best. We go sign up with it and everybody wins. So it's nice to be in the same room with like-minded people. Okay? You're trying to do your business with your cousins who don't know nothing about notary, who don't know nothing about building a business, and they're telling you, girl, you wasting your money. Everybody doing it. It's oversaturated. Right? You need to be in a room where it's actually happening. Nationwide, people are in our group. California, Nevada. We have a live chat if you're in the all-inclusive plan. Run 7 days a week. Right now, something going on over there. Jeffrey's handling it. But we have a live chat where the other notaries are experienced, been in the program longer. Yes, they can help you. So some people say, well, they already started, I'm new. So what? You want to be with people who already walked the walk that you're trying to go, the journey that you're trying to do. So I really recommend you get in a house whenever you're really ready, okay? Because the courses are there. It's all inclusive. The courses, the live piece, the live training, if you do the all inclusive plan, and also the live chat. If you actually get an assignment and you don't know what to do, you don't have to go to a Facebook group. I don't even want you reaching out to the signing company first. I and the team want to be the first point of contact for you. No one else is offering that. Once you do actually start doing jobs, we're here for you. I don't want you asking the signing company, well, should I use this color ink? What kind of paper should I use? No, because that gives vibes like you don't know what you're doing. So that's what the mentorship is all about. It's not just about chit chatting or the courses. No, it's about helping you to succeed in these assignments. Okay. So come on back, Des. How in depth is the book? Well, it's as in depth as you want it to be, LaVictor. It has everything you need to get started, literally. I'll tell you a few things in the book, and you're not going to learn everything you need in the book. The book is to help you to get what? What did I say? I was pretty clear. I'm always clear, guys. I don't pull a okey doke. I don't tell you one thing and I mean something different. Okay. Oh, thank you, guys. I'm glad it's making sense. It teaches you how to start. Okay. How to start your business. So what does that look like? We go over some basic information for Georgia notaries. This is for every state, not just Georgia, but this is what the books say. All are pretty much the same thing. Go over what is a mobile notary, what is an attorney state, because you need to know that. How can you become a notary signing agent in the state of Georgia when the handbook says you cannot be one, right? The state of Georgia handbook says there is no such term as notary signing agent. So how is Kimmi a notary signing agent? And I've already explained it to you. Certain documents do have to be notarized by an attorney, okay? What kind of training do I need? What is a signing company? How to become the preferred notary? We talk about a little bit about the pricing. How is it that Kimmi could charge $125 for something, but everybody else only charging $2? Oh, you need to know. Knowledge is power, and then it's only powerful if you put it in action. So that's why you need mentorship, okay? How to start your general notary business. I go over that. How to market your business. What's the difference between general notary and long signing? Talk a little bit about remote notary, even though it's not legal in Georgia. That was a little rumor running. How to network with other notaries. And should you quit your day job? So it's pretty thorough. You can get the ebook for $6. This one is like $14.97, okay? So believe me when I tell you, you will get your $6.97 worth. That's how we roll. All right. So it's very in-depth. I don't do anything half-stepping. Nothing. Thank you, Abstract Mind. LaVictor. Thank you, guys. I appreciate all the ones. Yes, that says, come on, get back in the loop, girl. Let's do this. Are you a girl or boy? But come on back. Come on back. Get back in the loop. And the thing is, to get in the loop and stay in the loop. Just because the business may not be, and actually, there's not a slow time. People ask me that all the time. What's the slow time? There really isn't a slow time. You can make it a slow time because there are times when I'm like, you know what? I ain't going out. And my husband will hear me start pricing a job. And he says, you must don't want to go out today. You're not hungry. He's right. There are days when I'm like, no, I'm good. I'll call somebody else, give it to somebody else, let them make the money. And that's where networking comes into play too. So it may be times when it's like, nah, I'm good. I already made my money for the week. So I'm not going out Friday night at 9 o'clock. Somebody else may want to go out Friday night at 9 o'clock. So we were talking about that earlier. Let's wrap up the part about doing a 9 to 5 though. So there are jobs on the weekend. I already explained that to you, how that works. People need a notary 7 days a week. You may work before you go to work. You may run your business before you. If you start work at 9, you work at home. You might do jobs between 6 and 8:30. You got to get creative. In our group, we have people working all different kind of schedules. Everybody does not have the same circumstance. Some people are like, well, you got a husband, or you got kids, you got a dog, you got a cat. Everybody get the same amount of hours in a day, guys. They really do. So not to be insensitive, right? And it may not be for you certain parts of the business at a certain time, right? You may want to learn the business and focus on apostilles. You may want to learn the business and focus on loan signing. You may strictly just want to do general notary work, right? Those are your main money makers. Can you make a full-blown business doing ink fingerprinting? Not typically. Okay. Field inspections, yes, because one of my students, shout out Joseph, he is killing the field inspection game. If you've not seen my field inspection course or the mystery shopping course, you want to check them out, because we got people, one girl in our class, one lady, she just did the mystery shopping course. I released it last week. She did it the same day. Next day she had a job. So results are guaranteed, but if you don't put nothing out there, I can guarantee you one thing: ain't nothing happening.